Alright guys, welcome to Wig Making 101. My name is Nakia. You guys know me as your instructor here. And these are August updates. They're a tad bit late because the last week of July and the beginning of August, I was teaching courses, fashion courses. Costume design to be exact. So I wanted to come on here and make sure you guys got some updates of what's going on with the site, new lives, new courses, new things going on, new training, ways to help you with your business. So let's get started. I got 7 things I need to talk to you guys about, and I have them like up there. So if you see my eyes move up towards the top, it's because I probably should pull it down, but it's because I have everything in order of what is most important that we need to talk about. So, new live courses. There are new live courses already done and already scheduled. It's on the Pixie cut wig. So, part 1 and part 2, one is a live and one is pre-recorded. They're teaching you how to construct a full wig. Specifically for a shortcut. The next live, which if you're on the student site, you'll notice that that link is already ready for you. The next live will be August the 11th. That's this coming Sunday, and it would be 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I might as well say 8 p.m. Europe time for those of you who are out of the U.S. So letting you guys know that there are new lives there. For September, I'm not exactly sure what the lives will be. I'm going to be totally honest with you because I'm going to be doing something new, which I will let you guys know that in the 7th point. Now, number 2, I'm going to be adding new tools for you guys to purchase, like wig heads, ventilating needles, things like that. I found them at a really good price, so I will be adding them to the site. But along with that, any of you who are students or not students and you're watching this video, I'm looking for more vendors for hair, mainly raw hair or unprocessed virgin hair, specifically for my students. I think this is a really good opportunity to help you guys out that do own businesses already and you're having a hard time finding the people to sell your hair to. Sell it to me. Sell it to people who can use it because they are custom wig makers, and that is what I teach. So I do have one student so far. I'm gonna follow up with her. She has really good hair, I'm pretty sure of, so I'll make sure that you guys get the link to all of the tools and stuff that I will be adding to the website. So if you need them, you can be able to purchase them. I'll also give you alternative places that you can go as well if you're not in the US and you need these things, because as of right now, I'm not sure if I will be shipping outside of the US, but don't quote me there. I haven't even gotten it all online yet, so if I'm able to, I will make sure I can do that for you. Number 3, signing up to sell your wigs on Custom Wigs Mart. We have partnered up and a tutorial is already completed, so you can watch that video. It'll be linked down below, just showing you how to sign up. I am actually going to be setting up multiple tutorials on how to actually set up your store. I'm also going to be mentioning some things that they are going to be doing to help you guys out when it comes to setting up your store, because they will be opening and launching September the 1st. So check out that video, check out that tutorial. It's free to everyone, students and non-students, but there are some upcoming things that's happening with Custom Wig Mart that is only free to current students, so keep that in mind. For last group course this year is September. I do have that date already set, and I'm talking about the group courses, the in-person courses that I teach here in my home. The max is 4 people because that's the best, because I'm teaching something that requires almost a one-on-one training. So the last one this year, for this year only, will be September. Not sure of the dates. Check it out. I'll have it linked below. I believe it's like 16th, 18th, or somewhere in there. But it's just the last group course. It's not the last time I will be doing in-person courses. I will be continuing to do in-person courses privately or for small groups that work together. So if you are interested in having a course with me one-on-one throughout the rest of the year, and you have specific dates that's going to work for you and your group, or just you personally for a private lesson, just reach out to me and we will set you up and take care of you. So 5, Africa training and safari tour. Those dates are set for October 31st through November the 6th. I have information on that as well. Everything is pretty much completed. If you go to the link that will be down below this video, you will find out what's all included in that course. You'll find out where you're going to be touring, the places that you go. You're going to go to places that I have been. I will be there because I'm going to be a part of training you there. And in Africa, in South Africa, Johannesburg is where we'll be. I'll be showing you guys how to use the high post sewing machines. So if you are interested in going to that training, visit South Africa. If you haven't visited before, come to meet me, kind of like that meet and greet, get to learn even more information, because we're going to have speakers that'll be there that will be talking about the hair loss industry. We'll have speakers that will be talking about running your business, setting up your business, and all of that stuff, which is what we here on Wig Making 101 and Custom Wig Mart is doing. And yeah, check that information out. Africa trip, Africa training and safari tour, or fun, empowering extravaganza that we're going to be doing is October 31st through November the 6th. Number 6 is the services. We offer services. The manufacturing in South Africa, we offer services to those of you who have high clientele and you can't deal with the volume of making the wigs for your clients yourself, because it takes a lot of time. The services are still there for you guys. I have a link down below for that as well, so you can find out pricing. You can see the videos of the quality of our work, because yes, they are trained by me. You see the quality of the color services. We have a team, a production team, and a team of stylists and colorists out there. Now, keep in mind, we don't style the wigs, we don't cut or do all of that, but they do color the wigs. So you have balayage, you have highlights, lowlights, partial coloring, whatever it is that you need, we will be providing that. So you can check the link down below to find out the pricing for that. That's something that Wig Making 101 is offering because of my training with them in South Africa. So that's the service that we are providing. We have partnered up in that. And last but not least, 2020 is approaching us very, very rapidly. September is usually the beginning of the school year for all of us. I'm a college teacher, so that's the beginning of the school year for me, going back into teaching. I don't teach a lot, meaning that I only teach maybe like once a week. That's a good thing, because it gives me time to take care of you guys. So with all of that said, September the 1st, 2 things are happening. Custom Wig Mart is opening up their platform, so you want to make sure you get all of your products and stuff in before September the 1st, because all consumers' eyes are going to be on your product. All of the month of August, I'm going to be focusing on making sure you guys know how to work that platform, because I'm going to be selling wigs myself. So they will be starting September the 1st, as well as me changing the way the student area looks, because we have also partnered together with WIGMA. It's called Wig Makers Association. So it's for certification, and we're completing everything that needs to be to complete for testing and education and things like that. And we're going to be doing it underneath my platform. So those of you who are lifetime access students, you already know the deal, right? You already know the deal, lifetime access. So this gives you an opportunity to actually see those videos, how they're being laid out in the levels. So you'll notice September the 1st, when you come back to this part of the site, that everything looks slightly different. I'm going to be condensing information so it gets even more straight to the point. And I'm still going to keep a lot of the information that you already see in the online courses. They're just going to be considered what we call continuing education courses. So there will be some things that I'm going to be pulling away from that and putting them into the levels. There's going to be 3 levels because that helps with the certification program that we are creating. And that helps with, you know, making sure you guys get the information that you need in order to pass the certification test. So know that this student area is going to change September the 1st. I will let you guys know along the way. You'll see the process as it goes. It's going to be in its levels, but just know all of the videos, all of the tutorials, all of the lives are still going to be accessible to you because this is lifetime access, but you also get to see what's new and what's coming in. So those are the updates for the month of August. So we have a live coming this Sunday. Tools I'm going to be adding to the site so that you guys can shop for stuff if you don't know where to find it. If you are a vendor of any sort for wig making or hair industry, please get in contact with me. WIGMAKING101@yahoo.com. I would appreciate it. There's a tutorial on how to sign up in Custom Wigs Mart so that you can start selling your wigs and making some money, because that's a part of the business aspect of it. I will be doing tutorials on that to continue on, and so you're ready for September the 1st. Last group class is in September. Other than that, I'm going to continue to do group classes more privately based off people's personal schedule. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Africa trip. Why I keep saying African. Africa trip, October 31st through November the 6th. Check that out. Link is down below so you can get all of the information. You have any questions, you know you guys can reach out to me. Services provided for those of you who have high clientele and you don't want to make all of the wigs or don't have the time to make all of the wigs for your clients. We do that for you. Check the link down below. You do have to sign up or log in order to get to that information because it's only for people who are serious. We'll say that. And then changes to the website coming September the 1st. That was a mouthful. I will see you guys in the next live, in the next class this coming Sunday. It's going to be awesome. We are going to learn how to cut and style a pixie cut. Thanks to a couple of your colleagues that wanted to learn this. So I'm glad. If you guys have anything that you would like to see on the online site, I would love for you guys to reach out to me and let me know what those things are so I can actually start adding them into 2019. That way, 2020, we got everything in place and now we can keep building and building because the hair industry and the wig making industry is extremely big, and there's so much to learn and so many different niches and so many different things that you can do to build on your business. So I will see you guys in the next live update, which won't be until September anyway. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.